Welcome to Cinematic. My name is Chris Tennard. I founded Cinematic to share the art and science of cinematography with aspiring cinematographers around the world. The name Cinematic embodies the spirit of continuous learning and exploration, which is essential in cinematography. My own journey began in 2004 when I started my own production company, and today I continue to work full-time shooting and editing for clients across the country. While I filmed and edited feature-length documentary, the majority of my work involved creating marketing content for both large and small organizations. Over the years, I realized that I genuinely enjoy sharing my knowledge and expertise with others. This passion led me to serve as an industry expert on the advisory board of a film school to help them develop their new curriculum. With Cinematic, I took my 20+ years of experience and condensed it into various online courses. These courses are designed to help anyone dramatically reduce their learning curve, avoid some of the mistakes that I've made, and elevate their skills to a professional level. The best part is, you don't need any high-end equipment. You can learn these principles and skills regardless of the gear you currently have. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned professional, here at Cinematic, you can learn not only the technical skills, but also the artistry behind great filmmaking and the psychology of crafting effective visual communication. Thank you for visiting Cinematic. As a token of my appreciation, I'd like to offer you my free camera setting cheat sheet. Simply follow the link below or fill out the form to download it. I hope to see you soon in one of my courses. But until then, happy filming.